Hello, my name is Ron Johnson. Most of you know me as the Belching Man. The belching was cured by using Xanax and antidepressants, and I thank God every day that it has not returned. I'm making this video today because I'm fighting for my life. 2 years ago, I came in contact with an algae bloom while working on the Gulf Coast of Florida. This is known as Florida red tide. It kills all aquatic wildlife, some birds, and is very harmful to humans. After being exposed to this red tide for 5 days, I ended up in the emergency room and then in intensive care. I had a severe bacterial lung infection. The doctors isolated the bacteria and got some medicine that killed it. They killed the bacteria that was in my lungs. But it ravaged my lungs and destroyed 70% of my lungs. I'm down to 30% lung function. The doctors tell me that there is no cure for this. My lungs will not regenerate and that I'm going to die. I'm only 62 years old. I don't want to die. I need help. And the only thing that can help me is, well, there's a couple of things. One is a double lung transplant. This costs $1.2 million. No insurance is going to cover that. The next is stem cell therapy, which cannot be done in this country because it's against the law. I want to live, and I'm going to fight tooth and nail to beat this thing. I'm going to start a GoFundMe campaign to raise the money for the stem cell therapy, which is a fraction of the cost of the double lung transplant. So help me win the battle for my life. I want to win so I can live. And I need your help. It's only through the generosity of others that I could even imagine raising a little money to go to my medical expenses that this is going to cost. So show this video, or tell everybody you know, all your friends, neighbors, and relatives about the video. And if you're a Howard Stern listener, tell Howard to give me a call. He's got my number. Well, I want to thank you for watching the video today. And with your help, I just might win this battle for my life. Thank you, and God bless.